Welcome.
Hello folks. Well, as requested, this video shows the mode transition mechanism transmitter switch inside, plus how to make my micro floats for helis. So here we go. Okay, when I throw the switch, right now you can see this is spring loaded and this is not. This is your rudder and throttle over here. This is your aileron. Now when I throw this switch, you can watch this right here. This rotates that mechanism just like that. Now it's spring loaded on this side, which was your throttle. This side is now switched. Well, it's really quite ingenious, as all it does is move the springs on the gimbals to different locations, and at the same time a switch and tone warns you to change the type of mode you desire on the front panel. It's really quite simple mechanism, as you can see. Quite amazing. See on the front here how this works. There's the switch. Right here is that's mode 1. Just back up there. Now this is mode 2. And of course you can program it for mode 1, 2, 3, or 4 with the switch right here that says mode transition. And of course when it's on, it's your warning that your throttle is up. If I switch this, it's going to beep until I shut it off to reset it. So, got a fail-safe built in, not going to let you fly until you get that figured out. So again, I'm going to show you how to do this. You turn this on. This is your throttle on this side, rudder, right and left cyclic, fore and aft cyclic, and you can see it says it's in mode 2 right there. Turn the light on. Mode 2. Okay, to switch to mode 1, you want to throw the switch down. That takes care of your sticks. You have to shut it off because it's going to warn you. Turn this back on, and now it says over here mode 1. If I want to change it to mode 2 or 3 or 4, I have to press this button and hold it down. That puts it in mode 3. If I hold it down again, back to mode 1. Okay, so and now also if I throw this switch again and shut it off and turn it back on, it says mode 2. If I hold that switch down, it's now in mode 4. I only fly in mode 2, so I'm going to put this back to mode 2. And that's it. Pretty slick little transmitter that comes with this unit. WL Toys. And another question was, where did I get these foam pads for my landing gear? And all this is backer rod, and this is insulating for, you know, filling gaps and stuff. It's foam, like a foam noodle, and it works really well for doing. I just cut a piece of length. I spray painted these fluorescent orange with the orange enamel. Makes great little floats. It makes it a heck of a lot easier to see on a hard day, or especially when you're doing some inverted flying and crazy stuff. You know, I like those floats on there. Also put a little piece on the back here that protects that tail. So that's how that works. So then I melted in a groove with a soldering iron, then amazing goop the landing gear in. And of course on my bigger helis, I use these foam noodles, which is really great on the landing skids. Don't wear landing skids out. So that's it. Well, I hope this gives those viewers a little insight on the questions they asked and gives you an idea how this all worked. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you at Donovan's Indoor Flying.
Goodbye.